So the brand new iPhone 17 just dropped, and you already know what that means. Millions of shoppers are out there searching for fresh ways to personalize and protect their new phones. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making and selling your own custom iPhone cases using Printify. So if you ever wanted to start a side hustle or expand your current store and you don't have any design skills, stay tuned for the rest of this video. We're going to jump right in while shoppers are upgrading to their new iPhone 17 and looking for creative ways to show up their style. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Boss from Home, your go-to platform for finding and discovering different ways to make money from home, make money online, make money practically anywhere. So we also share free resources, all to help you improve your finances and to hit those goals. So today I've got a fun side hustle opportunity that is perfect for anyone who's looking to, say, boost your income past maybe what your 9-to-5 is bringing in, because sometimes we need a little extra money, say, to hit those goals that we're looking to hit, whether that be to save, invest, or simply have a little extra money to go out on vacation. So whether you are aiming to, say, start your own online business, or you want to make some passive income, or you're simply wanting a creative outlet, this is for you. And it's especially exciting for our students out there, stay-at-home moms, creatives, and basically everyone. So you also get to set your own schedule, work when you want, wherever you want, and make money with ease. And the best part about this side hustle is that it is highly successful and you don't need any type of technical knowledge, special skills, experience, or a background in order to get started. You can actually leverage free AI tools. So this all means that you're not storing items in your spare room, you're not needing to touch any item at all, and you're not going to be dealing with customer service either. So all you need to do is simply create just a few products, post them online, and this will basically set up your online business to make money for you while you sleep. So now you might be wondering, okay, what is this side hustle and how can I get started? So one of the easiest ways right now in order to make money online is by selling products. And these products can be t-shirts that you simply put a design on, mugs, and one of the most in-demand products of them all right now are phone cases. And you don't need any type of technology or heavy equipment in order to design these, phone cases. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI tools and Printify print-on-demand service in order to get started right away. So this is a great way to make money online because you are basically catering to what thousands of people online are searching for right now. And simply put, there is no shortage of people who are buying phones every day and wanting to protect their phones and even accessorize them as well. In fact, according to a study that was actually done last year, 54% of the global population, which back then it equated to 4.3 billion people, they own a smartphone. And so this makes smartphone owners the global majority. And they even mentioned that this number is projected to increase in the coming years with almost 90% of cell phone users online worldwide. So this is a huge market to tap into, and I'm going to show you how you can get started without any experience, technical knowledge, skills at all, or investment either. So let's take, for example, my favorite shop that's doing this right now. How fun is this name that they came up with? The founder is Andrew Moore. He got started back in 2012 doing something completely different. He was actually doing construction supply delivery. But while he was doing his deliveries, he had a lot of time and he would invest that into listening to podcasts, his favorite being tech podcasts. And so his original idea was born, and that led him to come across a tweet of someone who posted online a picture of this fun iPhone case, and they asked, okay, where can I find one of these? There was no one selling them. So the next day he got onto eBay right away, ordered a bunch of different silicone cases for iPhone 4, and he started designing them. And so he went back to the Twitter tweet and tweeted, okay, give me a few weeks, I'm going to try to make one myself. And so since then, he started a small shop on Etsy and has since grown to become internationally known for his amazing iPhone case designs. A lot of them are simple, and they're being sold in places like Nordstrom, Urban Outfitters, Free People, Revolve, and many other places. And after only a few years, he made over $500,000 in revenue. And so this story is so cool and inspiring, but one of the things we're not going to do today is invest in a bunch of phone cases, design these phone cases, or even store them in our backyard. And so while I was searching online for the most lucrative phone case ideas and designs that are out right now, I noticed that a lot of people love floral design prints. And so I love a cute design that makes me enjoy looking at my phone, scrolling, and it even looks cute when I go out in public. So with that being said, let's take a look at this fairly new shop. They're selling floral iPhone case designs. And this one looks really simple. The design is easy. It's plastered over the entire case. And by selling these simple designs on Etsy, they have already generated over $6,000 since they have started recently. And let's take a look at this fun design as well. These are made up of a unique design pretty much repeated across the entire phone case. And so by sticking to this floral theme, which a lot of people love, this shop has found great success, generating over $2,000 in revenue, 175 sales. So how can we make this a reality for ourselves? We're going to build a shop together step by step. So the first step is finding your niche. You're going to sit down, you're going to think about what kind of phone cases you want to create. Do you want to focus on, say, more trendy designs for teenagers? Do you want to focus on rugged case designs for maybe outdoor enthusiasts? Or do you want to keep it artsy, and glamorous? So you're going to find that niche, and this is going to help you to stand out in the market of people doing the same. But today we're going to stick to the floral theme since this is the most popular right now and a lot of people love it. So the next thing that you want to do is create your designs. And like I mentioned, you don't have to worry if you are not a designer. There are tons of different free tools out there, like say Canva, and even AI-powered design tools that are going to help you create these amazing visuals for your phone cases. And you can even hire freelancers from platforms like Fiverr if you want more professional help. So we're going to get started talking about the creative process in just a few. But the first thing that we want to do is get started signing up for a free account with our sponsored print-on-demand service, Printify. So Printify is 100% free and easy to use. This platform allows you to create and sell high-quality custom products in only just a few minutes. They have the largest selection of over 950 different products, including t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, stickers that you can customize, put a design on, and sell. So this platform allows you to basically set the margin of how much you want to be paid. And then you get to enjoy the profits because they do all the heavy work like printing the cases, handling shipping, and even dealing with customer service for you. So there are different plans that you can use to get started. There's a free plan. There's also a paid plan that gives you more flexibility. But the free account is just fine, especially as you are building your online business. Okay, so the last step while we're getting started is setting up our online store. And with Printify, you can use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, even Walmart, or even your own website if you wish to sell your phone cases. So now that we've got the groundwork done, let's begin the fun part, which is designing. So when it comes to phone cases, Printify has so many different options. You can choose magnetic tough cases, slim cases, flexi cases, which is their newest product. They have snap cases, clear cases, even cases with a card holder, which is so cool, such a great option. And just a quick update, Printify now officially supports iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro cases, including the clear, snap, and tough case style. So this is one of the newest additions to their catalog. So if you've been waiting maybe to create or update your listings for the latest model, you can start designing for the iPhone 17 series today right inside of your Printify dashboard. But I'm going to choose the tough case, their best seller, because I realized that this one looks like it has great quality and it looks great when you add color or a design onto it. This provider will ship to different countries and their cases fit 51 different phones. This is going to be really good as we are selling these phone cases because people have different types of phones. As you can see, everything from the iPhone 15, even Samsung phones, Google Pixel phones, you can sell to practically everyone that has a phone at this very moment right now. And the screen shows you how much it costs Printify to create this design and how much you will be receiving on the back end before you get started. So this is the template that we're working with right now. You can keep it white. However, they have different colors that you can choose from. They have gray, they have pink, they have blue, but I'm going to make it white. And what I want to do is use their AI feature where you can choose the type of picture that you want and add in a prompt to tell them what image you're looking for, and they will generate a 100% unique image just for you. So I think I'll go with fantasy art, and I'll say, please provide me with a watercolor art image. I'm thinking something along the lines of floral prints, of course, because that's what we're aiming towards, with fun designs, because I do want to target a young audience. And I'm going to click enhance because I think that this helps my prompt become more understandable to the AI image generator. And here's what they came up with. This is beautiful, but I don't want any fairy princess. I just want floral print. So I think I might take away that comma and put watercolor floral print and the other things included. Okay, these are cute too. Still the fairy princess theme. What is this? Oh, not quite. No. Okay, so I'll have to go back. I love that I can keep going, keep adding in prompts as many times. So we're going to take off the fantasy art feature and see what they come up with. Okay, still the fairy princess, but I do like this design at the end here. That is beautiful. I mean, let's take away that part right there. This is beautiful. I mean, who does not love a beautiful floral print like this? So I think I like how it looks. Right here. This is cute. You have the purple and the pinkish, reddish, all of that stuff. I mean, you can see all of the different colors with this particular side. You can even add in, say, a name. You can use their font feature by clicking enter text and then putting in whatever text that you want. This can be a name. This could be a funny saying. It's all up to you. You can even add in an image if you want. So they do have their own standard images that you can choose from. They have different sayings, and you can add in, say, one of their floral prints here. You can do it completely from scratch using just those images. Oops, bring that back in there. You can add in maybe this cute little design here, be cool. That's cute, right? But we're not going to use that. We're going to keep it completely simple because all you really need is this simple design. All right, so keeping the background white, and let's check it out to see what it looks like on the preview end. Oh, how cute. Okay, this is so cute. I love it. This looks like it took so much skill and time to create. We didn't use any skills at all. All we did was pretty much drag and drop. Okay? Cute. I love this. I would buy it. Would you buy it? Don't lie to me. Would you buy it? So this is the mock-up. This is what it looks like. You can choose glossy or matte. I think people should have a choice. That helps them to want to buy from you when they have a choice. So I will keep both options open. And this is the area where you need to put in a product description. This matters very much because people want to see what they're getting. So you want to make it fun to read. So we're going to use ChatGPT to write this. So we're going to go ahead and copy all this information that is requested in that area. We're not going to use that basic thing that's saying, but we're going to put in ChatGPT, please help me write a compelling Etsy description. And this is going to be for my floral print phone case designs. Using this information, we're going to paste that information right there. And we also want ChatGPT to generate a fun response. So we want to add in, let's see, make the listing fun to read and include keywords. That's very important because people are looking according to keywords necessary to get noticed by people who are looking for phone cases. Pretty simple. Now take a look at what ChatGPT has given to us. I love this already. We've got the emojis that draw the eye of the young crowd, of course. And of course, we're using bullet points to make our listing readable. We're using strong, bold fonts as well. And they show us the keywords that were used within this listing. So take a look at what you have, and once you love it, go ahead, copy and paste it. Of course, you can add in things that you want to add in. This is our title, but I want to be smart about the title. The title is really important because this is the first thing, one of the first things that people are looking at, and this is how people will discover you. So we're going to take a look at some of the other listings that we've seen, people who are selling floral print phone cases, and see what their title looks like. All right, so taking a look at this one here, this person has actually listed out all of the different phones that she can provide a case for. And I think that's really important because people want to see, hey, does this fit my phone or will it not? Like, should I invest in this product or not? So we're going to ask ChatGPT, please give me a title that also includes all the phones I service. And this is an okay title, but it still doesn't exactly show the details I'm looking for. And I guess based on my previous prompt, they just didn't know what all phones that I'm able to fit this case for. So we're going to get a clue from our previous listing. And if you want to increase your chances of getting a sale, you can add variations, which are different other designs or colors, giving people more of a choice so that they are confident in purchasing with your store. So this person used the iPhone 15, which is what I'm using. Also mentioned iPhone 14, 13, 12, and the like. So we're going to go ahead and paste that into our title description, customizing it, making it our own. And there we go. That's a really long title, but it does provide the information that customers need in order to make a confident choice. And I think that looks really good. So now that we've got our title, our description, this looks really good. Now we can go on to the pricing aspect. The production cost will be $14.33 and the shipping $5.49. If I set my price at $23.88, I get a profit of nearly $10 each sale, which is good. So I'm going to keep it just there. 40% profit, I think, is a good place to start. So after that, all you need to do is connect your store, and you will connect it with Etsy or whatever platform that you wish to, and it will appear immediately on Etsy. And Printify does all the back end stuff, the printing, the shipping, the customer service, all of that. So easy, right? Okay, so there you have it. You are pretty much done. The next step would be to go out and market your products, share it on social media, pay for ads, maybe connect with different influencers. But we will not have to do that because platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Walmart, they already generate millions of user traffics. So you will not have to do any of the product promotions. So that was so much fun. I hope that you guys are super excited to get started building your own online business. This is going to help you so much in bringing in more income, making money from home, in addition to maybe your 9-to-5 job, or even just to start your own business. It's always great to have your own. And so platforms like Printify help you to have your very own shop that you can call your own and be in control of the money that you make and the products that you put out there. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please go ahead and check out the description box down below for the promo code to help you save and get the most out of this platform. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please like the video if you liked it, if it gave you much value, and if you're excited to get started building your own business as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.